Hello, today I will show you how to block all spam and robocalls on Samsung Galaxy A25. To block all spam calls, simply open the dialer app, tap on the three dots on the upper right corner and go into settings. Here, if you have your SIM card inserted, you will be able to enable caller ID and spam protection by tapping the toggle right here and simply not having to worry about spam calls and robocalls ever again. And thank you for watching. Please remember to comment, like and subscribe to see more videos like this one in the future.